Well, rumors are true, and Claude Design is here. It is pretty cool, and people are saying goodbye Figma, and I'm not sure. I've never used Figma before for any of my projects. I do use Figma Weave, which I don't think it replaces at all. Now, that's a different conversation, but Claude Design, they just dropped it yesterday, and I was like, you know what? Why not tinker with it? So it seems like it is pretty powerful. Need less. I mean, I don't need to tell you that, but essentially, I was like, you know what? Let's try, see what it can actually do. I'm going to close this. So basically, how it all works is you give it a design, some inspiration, or your GitHub repository, and it can literally think the entire UI, UX, whatever, and you can then work with it live. And that's the whole premise, as far as I understand it so far. What you can do is just basically go in here, create a new design or a slide deck, which, hey, goodbye to those boring presentations. Or you can also explore templates here. Somewhere here there should be some templates. um, Oh, there, examples. So some cool things that you can create using Claude Design now. And yeah, I just basically gave it my website to kind of redesign, and it did a pretty good job. And it seems like you can, you know, tinker with your app design. So if you have a phone app, because like AI Slop was real, I think this is Claude's answer to that, because now AI Slop is in control. You have the ability to actually kind of fix that, right? Now, back in the days, if you were not technical, you didn't really have the option to like change design, or if you're not creative, you didn't really have the option to like kind of, if you couldn't imagine things, you didn't have the option to be like, oh, you know what, I don't know what to create, so I guess I'll just go with what Claude or Lovable or other tools created for me. So that just kind of limited your design options. So that's what created AI Slop. But with this, you can imagine things. You can look at all these inspirations. You can, you know, um, go and tell Claude that, hey, I want this, I want to do this. You can literally chat with it. Back in the days, I would used to go to 21 Street Dev, where I would literally just go get UI components from. I mean, it's still good for inspiration even now, as you can see, like speaking things into existence. Like these are things, these are cool things. But now you can create all of that from scratch, so that it just empowers originality. So there we go. For everybody having a good weekend today, just go ahead and tinker with it, and you'll have fun. I mean, what's there to lose? You're already paying for it, so may as well just have some fun with it. Make the current websites look prettier, make your software look cooler, and give your user a better experience. Anyways, see you in the next one.